Guys, welcome back to my math YouTube channel. In my previous videos, we discussed how to convert a complex number from standard form to a trig form or a polar form. Guys, now we are going to do the reverse process. In this example, I want to show you how to convert a complex number provided in a polar or trig form to a standard form. Guys, this process is very simple. I just want to share with you two examples and you will feel more confident working with these type of examples. Guys, here we have a complex number provided to us in the polar form where we have an r and where we have a cosine and sine, and we want to convert it into a plus ib form. Guys, in order to do this, first thing that we need to have a unit circle handy. And once I have a unit circle with me, all I'm going to do is I'm going to just replace the values for the cosine and sine, and then it's more like simplifying things. So let us look at the steps. First of all, I'm just going to rewrite that radical 8, and then cosine of 7 pi over 4 is something that I can see on my unit circle. Keep in mind, on the unit circle, the cosine values are the x values and the sine values are the corresponding y values. And cosine of 7 pi over 4 is same as cosine of 315 degrees. And looking at the unit circle, we get radical 2 over 2 for this. And guys, here plus I, sine of 7 pi over 4 is negative radical 2 over 2. So I'm just substituting those. Guys, now we got to simplify this, not too complicated. Now this is radical 8. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to write that radical 8. First of all, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to multiply this plus times minus and make it will become minus I radical 2 over 2. And then once I have it simplified inside here, then I'm going to distribute this radical 8 because we want to simplify and we want to get it as an a plus ib form where we have a real part and an imaginary part. So radical 8 times radical 2. Guys, radical 8 times radical 2 is radical 16 divided by 2 minus I times, same thing guys, radical 8 times radical 2 is radical 16 divided by 2. We can still simplify. Radical 16 is 4, so it's 4 over 2 minus I 4 over 2. Well, we cannot stop right here. We should not stop right here because we can still simplify this. We got to simplify as much as we can. So 4 divided by 2 is still 2 and it's 2 minus 2i. Now this is in the a plus ib form, where my real part is 2 and my imaginary part is negative 2. So guys, it was not too difficult to convert a complex number from the trig form to the standard form. Actually, it is easier than going from the standard form to a standard form to a trig form. Okay, all you have to do is use your unit circle, substitute the values, distribute, simplify, and you get the final answer. Okay, guys, this is example 1. I want to show you one more example in this section, and then we will move into some different concepts.